Have you ever dropped something valuable down behind a wall or down the drain or a heating vent, only to spend hours trying to retrieve the item? The Bosch Talon inspection camera with a built-in grabber is just the tool you need. See how easily you can locate and retrieve what you need with the aid of this innovative product. The Bosch Talon inspection camera has so many everyday applications for use, the possibilities are almost endless. It's also a great gift idea for gadget lovers. Let's look at some specific uses for plumbing: unclog pipes and drains, recover lost items, jewelry that has fallen down the drain, help get an assessment of more advanced plumbing issues, retrieve something from a vent in your house. How about electrical? Pulling wires through small areas, home theater speaker install, look behind walls to see obstructions, home security installation. Here is an approach you may not have thought of. Investigation. Investigate areas that are below, behind, above, or around an object. Look for root causes of problems. And then there's law enforcement. Locate and handle sharp or dangerous items. Handle evidence without touching the item. Search areas of cars that cannot be seen. Search areas of homes and businesses that cannot be seen. Manufacturing and processing. Remove clogs and debris from machinery. Help diagnose service issues. Identify broken parts. Outdoors and maintenance. Remove clogs in downspouts. Remove debris from gutters. Remove pests and rodents from unwanted areas. Clear clogged impellers in pools and hot tubs. And don't forget automotive DIY. Grab small parts and tools from tight areas around the engine. See and grab items under and between the seats. Locate and grab items in the trunk area. Let's look at the specs. The camera has 320 by 240 resolution. It's got a light meter, images saved icon, 2.7-inch screen, a zoom control, image review back button, light control, image delete button. Here is the battery meter icon, zoom level icon, 180-degree image rotation for image review, take photos, power on off button, and here's the image gallery button. And here are some more product specs on the camera. Here is the camera lens. It has an 18mm head to fit in tight spaces. This is an LED light, as well as this one. Here is the grabber Talon. Here is the hand grip and the Talon trigger. The Bosch Talon video inspection camera can save you so much time and additional work in many ways you never thought of. The ingenious design, high-quality image, and rugged construction make the Talon a great gift or necessary tool for all homeowners, RV owners, plumbers, electricians, and more. Stop wasting your time. Get yours today or give us a gift for that special someone. For more information on our products or to find out where you can buy this tool, contact us at the information on the screen.